Hey everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how you're able to customize what type of notification types get pushed to your phone. So maybe some applications you would like to see a flag, maybe you don't. Some applications, maybe you'd want to see it pop up in the middle, maybe you don't. And maybe some you'd like to see on a lock screen. So how you're able to do this is go to any application that you would like to customize, just press and hold on the application and click that little I for information. Now, inside of every single application, we'll have an option here that is called notifications. Inside of notifications, you will be able to go through and show which types you would like this application to give. So maybe you don't want to have any badges, but you do want to see it on a lock screen as well as a pop-up. That is all you would have to do. Simply either select or deselect which ones you would like to pop up. So maybe let's say LinkedIn, maybe this is one that you would like to see, maybe not see as much. Again, you press and hold. You can click on notifications and you can see right now I actually have LinkedIn turned off. You do have that option to turn it off if you would like. Now, as you turn this one back on, maybe really the only place you would like to see it could maybe just be a badge. Now, maybe if you don't want to have a sound or vibration, you can also make this thing silent. So then this way, you will still get notifications coming through. You're going to have it just come through silently. It's not going to vibrate or nothing like that. And you're just going to randomly see a badge pop up. So this way you know that you now have a notification for that application. And then lastly, let's just go to one that maybe a lot of people may have. You have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Let's say you go inside of Instagram, you click on that little I, go to your notifications. Again, everything is the exact same. You can turn it off. You can have it be silent. You can pretty much have it set up however you would like. There's still even a few more options you can play with it down here, but really I just wanted to show you the different notification types that you can get or not get. So maybe for Instagram, I don't really care too much about the badges. That's something that you pop in every single day. You don't really care about the lock screen, but if something does pop up, maybe we'll just get that pop-up going on, and that's pretty much about it. Because again, this is an application that you may open every single day, maybe multiple times, so you don't have to really be notified of notifications, because more than likely you're going to see it pretty quick. But if you guys appreciated this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul.